Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
Phah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District Laphapen Long ke Tohkit, House Sub-Divisional Police Officer Jokabin Orsla, Hadim Melayu pedang ke Ujo nega kami jong Samla Getwin Jerwa, ubla ka kandais nem karta. Halor ke Jingkynnoh bula sya Pynshitom ben Thanat Pulit ke Sohra Police Station, hakalai tribunal tung arajar arhusan. Hakaji keram begilar patai kubor hakanyo tribunal tung arajar arhusan. Superintendent of Police City ke East Khasi Hills Subah Herbert penyak kharkongor uliat hu bu SP unsala banle AA halor ke jing ujor tat ondalayo ke kaipot USDPO kapok kebekut mentakatayo. Habis tu ke jingja USP City uraang bagi Pulit ke Sohra ke layo pedang ye ke jing ujor na orang ba shtong juga shtong mau kisim Sohra bu we bre ubla tip kerteng kemujab majau ubla syakran dagi tiang kemakor baca berngam ha we brio. Ulay thoru bagi jing ujor jang do ba shnong syaki Pulit kalong halo ka daw bu Getwin Jerwa umshim nalit mi satya hakman ka dorbar kabla khot hajiri u hakar bu pratrik ujilliu but shitrik unaitung arajar arpusan.
On the 1st of July, Sohra Police Station, they had received a complaint from the Rambashnong of Mungkise village, Sohra, where there was this one person who had assaulted another person whose name is Majau from the same village, and accordingly he had also challenged the clan using filthy language, and also threatened this Mr. Job, that Majau, that he threatened him and shown this private part also. And accordingly, seeing this, the village darbar, they had summoned the concerned person on 20, he had summoned him on the 1st of July 2025, but he failed to appear. Okay. Initially, they had also summoned him on the 28th, but again he had failed to come and report before the village elders. Then, accordingly, they had filed the FIR on the 01/07/2025, and then the police, they got information from the village also, sources, that they tried to apprehend him, but actually when they went to the village where he was told that he was found, but he was not there, he had already fled away. Then on the 3rd, his mother brought him to the Thana, and accordingly he was brought to the Thana, and then he was kept in the police station, and later on his mother had come and taken the son back. And accordingly, like today also we had received another complaint from the mother, where she had alleged that her son had been assaulted. And regarding this matter, an order had been already been passed by the Superintendent of Police, ordering the Sub-Divisional Police Officer of Punusla to conduct an inquiry into the allegations and into the matter, and also to submit his report by this weekend. And accordingly, depending upon the outcome of the report, necessary action will be initiated. The report is like that, but we will inquire into it, and an officer of the level of a gazetted officer, a sub-divisional police officer, he will be doing the inquiry and submit it early.
They have also sent a letter to the Human Rights Commission.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about it?
See, the human right is there, and it is their right also to send. And for us police also, it's a duty to inquire and find the facts. And depending upon the facts, the necessary action will be taken.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.